Dear friends, now in this video we are going to discuss about electronic control module ECM. In the last video we have discussed about the need of electronic control and what is the meaning of engine management system. We come to know how it is very important in modern days automobile or modern days car. So in the case of this electronic control, there is very important device, and that is nothing but called the brain of total electronic management system, and that is nothing but called the electronic control module. It is also called as a engine control unit, that is ECU. So an engine control unit ECU, which is commonly called as a engine control module, that is ECM, which is a type of electronic control unit that controls a series of actuators on an internal combustion engine to ensure optimal engine performance. So, dear friends, actuator is one of the device which is generally take the inputs from the ECU, or ECU gives the signal to the actuators, and actuators will actuate the things which is connected to so many devices like that fuel injector, then the different control devices which control the air flow, fuel flow, etc., etc., or even the braking system. So all these things should be done with the help of the ECU and the actuators. So does this by reading values from a multitude of sensors within the engine bay, interpreting the data using multidimensional performance maps called these lookup tables, and adjusting the engine actuators. So later on videos we will discuss on this particular maps, what is the meaning of maps and what is the meaning of lookup tables. So and adjusting the engine actuators. Before electronic control units, the air fuel mixture, ignition timing, and idling speed were mechanically set and dynamically controlled by mechanical and pneumatic means. If the ECU has control over the fuel lines, then it is referred to as an electronic engine management system, that is EEMS. The fuel injection system has the major role of controlling the engine's fuel supply. The whole mechanism of this EEMS means that engine electronic engine management system is controlled by a stack of sensors and the actuators. It is a whole combination of these sensors as well as the actuators. So in the modern electronic control units, the use a microprocessor which can process the inputs from the engine sensors in a real time. An electronic control unit contains the hardware and software, that is firmware. The hardware consisting of electronic components on a printed circuit board, that is nothing but PCB, ceramic substrate, or a thin laminate substrate. The main components on this circuit board is microcontroller chip, that is nothing but MCU, microcontroller chip or microcontroller unit. The software is stored in the microcontroller or other chips on the PCB, on the printed circuit board itself. Typically an EPROMs or flash memory, so the CPU can be reprogrammed by the uploading updated code or replacing the chip. So this EPROMs type of PCB or flash memory type of PCB are also used, or many of times it is being used. This is also referred to as an electronic engine management system. So this is also the part of this EMS. So this is something about a diagram showing the different control modules in a modern day car. Okay, so if you take any example of modern car itself, that car is equipped along with these different types of the control module. So this center thing is nothing but the main engine control unit. So it can control the brake control module, transmission control module, general control module, or general electronic module. Suspension system, it can be controlled with the help of suspension control module. Speed control unit, telematic control unit, body control module, central control module. Means every modules are there and which has the speciality to control that particular things with the help of the sensors, with the help of the ECU and with the help of the actuators. So these all signals will come inside one central module, and this is called as a engine control unit. So this diagram is showing various control modules in a modern day car. So I hope you understood this particular thing thoroughly about this. Thank you so much for watching.